What's up guys, in this video let's unbox and check out the performance of a Bluetooth in-ear headphone in the budget range, the Xiaomi Bluetooth Sports Earbuds. On unboxing the package, right in front is the earbuds itself. At the bottom you will find a cute waterproof carrying pouch, inside of which a micro USB cable for charging and 4 extra set of ear tips to suit your canal size is provided. Inside this box there is just an instruction leaflet. The entire earbud is made of excellent quality hard and soft plastic with a good finish and no rough feeling edges. You will get basic controls like the play and pause button at the center and volume up and down buttons, which can be very convenient to control on the go. A micro USB port for charging and a clip-on for attaching it to your shirt and such. To skip to the next track, you need to long press the volume up button, while the volume down will skip to the previous track, and it works without fail. The ergonomic shape of the earbuds helps it to fit snugly into your ears, while the ear hooks further helps in preventing it from accidental drops. Basic functions of taking or cutting calls works without any issues. Another pro feature is that these have IPX waterproof rating, making it sweat resistant. Now coming to the main stuff of audio during music playback, it gives off pretty decent crisp high notes or treble without it getting too noisy or colored. This will help in long listening sessions without ear fatigue. The mids are neither too pronounced or subdued, just about right, and also helps to listen clearly during calls. The low frequency performance is good and you can get extended bass out of it. It isn't too much on the heavier side, but the bass presence is definitely there. Though I suggest using a graphic equalizer to get the most frequency response out of these earbuds. Having used it for about 2 weeks, these reasonably priced budget earphones from Xiaomi is a solid performer with a good build and audio quality and is highly recommended. Stay tuned for more interesting tech stuff, bench tests and reviews. Thanks for watching, keep the peace, catch you next time.